Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily hide an application on your iPhone. So with the newest version of iOS 18 and above, all you have to do is hold down on a specific application. So let's go on over to like Facebook, for example, and just hold down on it. It says require Face ID, select this. Now if we go to this, we can go to hide and require Face ID. So you got to scan your face now. And then it's going to give us the option. So let's try this one more time. It's going to give us the option to hide this specific application. It says this app will no longer be visible on your iPhone except in a few places such as settings. Face ID or your passcode will be required to reveal, open, or see it when you also use the Siri app. So until you scan your face, you're not going to know it's there. So it's going to be completely hidden. So it says obscured app appearance. This app will be obscured on your home screen in a folder for hidden apps or in the library. Okay, so we can just turn that on. And it's going to be in that specific folder now. So it's going to be completely hidden. So we won't be able to find it just by searching for it or anything else. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.